Good morning, my dear students. Now let's see unit number 2, 2.2, a true story of sea turtles. This is a story about the sea turtles. So you might have seen the turtles, and this is it is a project. Some Valianters project is there, and this is a write-up which the highlights how a group of volunteers undertook a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra and involved the local villagers in the projects. So this is the team of the volunteers, and they have undertaken the project to preserve and conserve the turtles and their nest in Maharashtra, especially in Maharashtra, and also they involve the local villagers in the project. So how is the story about a true story of sea turtles? First page is rejected from the syllabus. Now this directly we have to start a true story of the sea turtle. So let us see, this is the project of some volunteers. It is a team. So we were surviving the wild bellied sea eagles in the summer that year. As we roamed the coast, one of the volunteers in our team saw the shallow pits with white eggshells nearby. So this is the team which had gone to the seashore, and they were surviving the white bellied sea eagle in the summer that year. As we roamed the coast, means that volunteers, as they walked to the coastal area, and that's one of the volunteers in their team saw some shallow pits. Shallow pits means while they were wandering on the seashore, they saw the shallow pits, means small holes, round holes. These were not deep, and with the white egg cells nearby, and the small holes were there, and which were the white egg cells nearby. White egg cells, and egg cells means that's eggs which have the hardened cover. This type of eggs had been found by the volunteers. So turtle eggs, this came. Inquiries with the villagers revealed that they were the turtle eggs. But they did understand what are the eggs. And so after the inquiry with the villagers, after the inquiry with the local people, so they got the idea, means their idea is clear that they were the turtle eggs. Actually, at very first they didn't understand. So means what is this? What birds have this, the eggs? But after getting the idea from the local people, they got that idea, means these are the turtle eggs. This came as a surprise. We had never come across turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of Konkani in all these years. Before that time, they had never seen such a white eggs which had the hard cover. Before that time, they had never seen or they had never get experience about this incident. And along the beaches of Konkan in all these years, before that time, they wandered many times, and many years they have came to this seashore, but this type of eggs had not found by these people. So we decided to study this unusual occurrence further, and that is why they were interested. They were keen to learn about this unusual occurrence, about this rare incident. That is why we learned that the beach where we had found the egg cells and been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month. And they also got the idea. They learned that the beach where they have found the egg cells had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month, because that place was banned for the local people for that area, and no one was allowed to go to the beach where they found the egg shells. After people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area, but what we learned further shocked us to the core. Because why did the people were not allowed? Because some people were there, those who were smuggling of these eggs, smuggling of these turtles, and that's why the peoples were banned to come to this place. And there was what do you say? There was not permission to anyone. So silver bricks were caught in that area, but what we learned further shocked us to the core. But next, what happened means they were keen to know about these eggs, about these turtles. But what incident happened further, and then they shocked us. Turtles nest along the entire coastline of a state. There are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. When the female turtle comes on shore to nest and to lay eggs, so she leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. So means what they have seen, what they have get the experience, and when they were shocked to get this, to get that experience, that is means the turtle nest along the entire coastline of our state. So means most of the coastlines having the turtle nest in Maharashtra, in Maharashtra, and there are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of the morning. Means in every village there are some people, those who come to the seashore and they try to find the the turtle's nest throughout the year. And when the female turtle comes on shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail. Actually means when the female turtle comes to the seashore and she leaves behind a trail, because after getting out the water, she marks some type of the liquid, and that is why trail, just like a track of wheels on the sand. And the eggs hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, because when the female turtle comes out of the water and she leaves the trail, she leaves some type of the liquid on the sand, and that is why there is a mark, and so it is easy to find out the way of the turtle where she laid down the eggs to the hunters. They dig up the nest and steal all the 100 or 150 eggs that are laid inside, and they dig up the nest. When they got that idea, when they got the location where the turtles laid down the eggs, 100 or 150 eggs, so that are laid inside, and these eggs are there in there, either eaten or sold in the market. And so what is their business? To dig the ground, that location where the female turtles laid down the the eggs, and to dig out the ground and just take out the eggs and to eat the eggs, either or to sell in the market. That was the business of the local people, some people of the local area. If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over, and as soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. If someone female turtle is find out that she is laying down the eggs, so they wait till to the lay down the eggs, and after that, after laying down the eggs, then they caught the female turtle, and also with the all eggs and then they kill the turtle. This ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. So it is a baseless, it is a ruthless practice, it is cruel practice. Is observed in all parts of the world. Means in not only in Maharashtra but almost coastal areas, this practice is observed. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule First of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So this is to prohibit this, to prohibit this, the hunting. That is why they are made the act, the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 to such to prohibit the incidents. And that means turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. And so because of this making the act, so the same protection is given the turtle as tiger. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtles is carried on a secret hush manner. And so it cannot be stopped with making the act, but means in some percentage it is stopped, that hunting of the sea turtles and also hunting of the eggs. In some way it is stopped because of this act. This information was distressing. We began to think seriously about it, and so because of means after some long period, we got the idea. That is means we began to think seriously about it. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra, and that is why we have decided to undertake a project. It is a project for the protection and conservation of the sea turtles. It is necessary and it is needs of time, because otherwise it will endanger the species of the turtles. And so there is a protection and conservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra. This project was undertaken by these volunteers, by the government, with making the act, Wildlife Act 1972. So that is why this is the first page. We have seen the explanation. Next we will continue. Thank you. Read at home this lesson.